5 random Blender tips to speed up your workflow. Let's get into it.
Press Shift, A, and add an armature. That's your first bone. Now go to the right panel and open Viewport Display. Turn on In Front so the bones stay visible. Switch to Edit mode. Move the bones to match your model shape. To add new bones, just press E and extrude. Now switch to Pose mode. Rotate the bones and test the movement. That's it.
First, add a plane. Then go to the snap settings on the top bar and set the target to individual elements with face nearest selected. This makes your mesh snap perfectly to the surface beneath it. Next, in the Object Properties panel, enable In Front under Viewport Display. This keeps your retopo mesh always visible above the reference model. Now switch to Edit mode, open the Mesh Edit Mode menu, and turn on Retopology. From here, simply extrude your faces along the model's surface, and you're retopologizing like a pro. First, I created a simple plane, switched to Edit mode, and shaped it to fit the character. Moved, scaled, and shaped the plane so it drapes naturally over the character. Made sure the edges align with the arms, legs, and torso for realistic cloth simulation. Added extra edge loops where folds and details are needed. Added collision to the character. Applied cloth to the plane. Enabled sewing in the cloth settings. Set quality steps to 10. Set collision quality to 15 and distance to 0.001. Enabled self-collision and baked the simulation. Applied all transformations with Ctrl+A. Added Solidify modifier. Added Subdivision Surface modifier, and now the cloth is ready.
Made a mess. Alt+G resets location, Alt+R for rotation, and Alt+S for scale. Easy cleanup. Need more space to focus? Press Ctrl and space to maximize any editor window instantly. Rename any object fast. Just hit F2 and type your new name. No need to search menus. Got messy names? Use Ctrl and F2 to rename multiple objects at once. Switch between Object, Edit, and other modes fast with Ctrl and Tab. No more top menu clicking. Which one was new for you? Follow for more time-saving Blender tips.
To join objects, go to Object Mode, select them all, and press Ctrl and J. Now they're combined into one single object. To separate them again, go into Edit mode. Select the part you want to split, press P, and choose Selection. That's it! For more quick Blender tips, don't forget to subscribe.